These 15 websites will pay you to answer questions, and you can make up to $7,500 per month using these websites that I'm about to reveal to you. And if you do not know the answer, I'm going to show you a very simple hack on how to get the answers to these questions, and then you can make money.
Bring me my money.
All of these websites are available worldwide, but they do not work in some certain countries in Europe, Africa, and Asia. So depending on your country where you are, some of these websites are going to work in your region while others may not work in your region. The withdrawal method in all of these websites is PayPal, gift card, and crypto. So depending on your preferred choice, you can actually use any of these methods to withdraw your money. Study.com is the first website that I listed that will pay you to answer questions. So follow me now to my computer so I can walk you through the process step by step on how you can get paid to answer questions using these 15 websites. These are the recent questions right here. As you can see, this one you will be paid $5 if you answer this question. This is $15, $7, $3, $20, and this is going for as much as $24. You can just come in right here and click on sign up, and the sign up process is very easy. Then you can enter your email address and click continue, and your sign up process is complete. And the next website is
expert.photostudy.com.
Here on this photo study website, you can make over $1,000 a month as a photo study expert. You get paid around $2 to $10 per hour, and you get paid in US dollars on this particular website. All you need to do is come right here and apply as a photo study expert. Payment is made bi-weekly to your PayPal account or Upwork account. So just click on apply now, and then it takes you all the way right here where you just have to enter your Facebook email details, and then you can get right in. Next is
transtutors.com.
Earn up to $2,000 per month on this particular TransTutors website. Apart from making money on this website to answer questions, you can become an affiliate right here. You can earn up to $400 Australian per week when you become an affiliate in this particular website. So to get started on this website, it's very easy. Just click right here to become an expert, and then you enter your email ID, your password, indicate that you are not a robot, and then you click on create my account, and you are good to go. And the next website is
top.com.
If you love education, I want to assure you that you don't have to miss this amazing opportunity right here. It's easy to get started as usual. Just click on sign up, come right here, select the country that you are going to be answering your questions from. You enter your phone number and your name right here, and then you click on get OTP. An OTP will be sent to the phone number that you will provide right here, and then once that is done, you are good to go. And the next website is
prestoexperts.com.
This Presto website platform has a messenger platform, also very easy to sign up on this particular website. You just come right here and click on register, and it takes you right here to this particular place where you have to fill in your email and password. And the next is
studypool.com.
This studypool.com website is one of the best options that I've found, and it can earn you as much as you want from mathematics, science, business, programming, humanities, writing, and so on and so forth. And like I said earlier, it doesn't matter whether you know the answers to the questions or not. I'm going to show you a very simple hack on how to get the answers to these questions, and then you can make money. So nothing should stop you from grabbing this particular opportunity of answering questions and making money in this particular website. And the next one is
schoolsolver.com.
So as you can see right here on this particular website, these are the amounts that most of the top earners have been earning on a monthly or daily basis. You know, this is expert solution, PhD level writer, tutor master, Minakishi. So people are really earning from this particular website right here. So to get started on this particular website, all you have to do is come here, click on answer questions. If you answer this particular question on healthcare, you're earning up to $500. On English, $20. You know, just like that, you're going to see the earning potentials of that particular question you are going to answer. So to get started on this website, it's very easy to register. Just click on register right here. It takes you right here. You put in your username, email, and password. Just click here to confirm that you are not a robot, and then you select the user type right here. Come right here and click on tutor and click on finish registration, and you are good to go. Next website is
justanswer.com.
Just Answer is a popular question and answer website where you can list yourself as an expert. You can easily make around $2,000 to $7,000 per month in this particular website. To get started on this website, you just come right here and click on for experts. And then it takes you right here where you just fill in first name, last name, your email, and then you enter your phone number. You click on next, and you are on your way to start making up to $2,000 to $7,000 per month in this particular Just Answer website. Next website is
helpal.com.
Help All is a unique website where you can answer questions related to top companies, products, and vehicles. And then when you come right here, click on only on answered questions so that the questions that will be displayed are just only on answered questions. Let's say, for example, I want to answer questions from Tricom. Then I click on search. These are the search results. What you just have to do is come here to the right and click on answer. And then it takes you to this particular place where you can say, I know the answer. If you know the answer, you click I know the answer. After you click on I know the answer, put your email and then you click right here and then you provide the answer to the question right here. Once this answer is submitted, it is reviewed, and of course when the answer is correct, you get paid immediately. Next is
tutorbin.com.
Whether you're a student or you already have a full-time employment, tutorbin.com is an excellent option to expand your knowledge and also get paid. You just come right here. So right here, you enter your full name, your email, your phone number, and then you are good to go. And the next website is
battlebuy.com.
It's very easy to sign up here on BattleBuy. Come right here and click on sign up. Then you enter your details right here. Indicate that you are not a robot once again, and then you click on create my account and you are good to go. And the next website is
helloexperts.com.
Take a good look at this. Demonstrate your academic knowledge and earn every hour. And here on this particular website, how you get started, because you just come right here, just click on start earning, and it takes you right here where you have to put in your email and password. Then you click on join as expert, and you are good to go to start earning up to $1,000 per month here on Hello Experts. And the next website is
maven.co.
Here on Maven.com, all you have to do is come right here, share your expertise with businesses looking for answers, and get paid in the process. How cool can that ever be? And the next is
wigi.com.
Here on wigi.com website, Wigi rewards you with monthly points based on how much you contribute to the system. It rewards you $30, $20, and $10 respectively for its top 3 contributors every month. To get started on Wigi, just come right here and click on sign up, and then you put in your details right here as usual, and then you click on submit, and you are good to go. We are still on the road to 1,000 subscribers, so I indulge you to like, comment, and subscribe to help the channel grow. And the next one is
answery.com.
Answer has a minimum payout threshold of $2 and the payment is made via PayPal. What element is associated with each bet month in a year? This is very easy. We can go on and on to answer all of these questions and start making as much points as we want. And as usual, it's very easy to sign up. Just come right here and then click on this particular button right here. Click on register, fill in your details in this particular form right here, and then you are good to go to start making money on this particular website. So this is exactly how you can get the answers to the questions if you do not know the answers to the questions with the help of our beloved friend, ChatGPT. This is my dear friend ChatGPT. So take a look at this question. It said, list 10 countries of the world with the most strongest military and why. For this particular question, it's a straightforward question. So you just have to copy this question from here and then you come to ChatGPT. All you have to do is come right here where it says message ChatGPT and then paste right here the question. And then you click on this particular button right here and take a look at what happens. And ChatGPT provides the answer for you. It's more like a detailed breakdown answer. All you have to do is copy these answers that have been provided to you by ChatGPT. Then you come right here to Notepad, paste it here, and then you edit these areas that says, as of my last knowledge update in January 2022, you just remove that area. And then you start from here that says, the strength of a country's military can be measured by various factors, which is from this line, and you follow it all the way down to the very end. I light it again by pressing Ctrl and A, Ctrl C to copy, or you can just simply come here and says edit, select all, come right back here and click on copy, come back to the website right here. This is the question, you click on it. So you come here, you click on answer, paste the answer right here. Of course, as you can see right now, the answer is not pasting. This is because they coded in a special feature that does not allow you to paste these answers. But here is what you're going to do. All you have to do is reduce the size of this window. You reduce the size of the window like this. So you can have your notepad right here that have the answers to the questions. And then this particular website, you can start typing the strength of a country's military. and then you keep typing till you get to the very end of this answer. And then once you are done with that, just click on add answer. Once you click on add answer, your answer will be checked and approved shortly, and you just have to wait. When it's approved, you are good to go. Another question that we can pick up from here that was asked 2 hours ago is, what is the scientific evidence for evolution? Copy this question, come to ChatGPT and paste the answer here as usual. What is the scientific evidence for evolution? And here you go. Same way, copy this answer right here all the way to this very last. Forget about this, it's important to note that, just a note, just end it here at number 10. And then you copy, take it right here to Notepad, delete what was there before, and then paste this right there. Come back to answer.com. This is the question, right? Click on it and it brings this up, and then you can start typing until you are able to finish typing all of this right here into this very box. So this is exactly how you can get the answers to the questions if you do not know the answers to the questions with the help of our beloved friend ChatGPT. And if you're looking for more ways to make money online, this next video right here is going to show you exactly how you can do that. I'll see you there.